Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Abheben is to withdraw. Abheben, to withdraw. How would you say I withdraw? Ich hebe ab. You see, abheben is a separable verb. So ab is a prefix that is separated and kicked to the end. Ich hebe ab. I withdraw. How would you say I withdraw money? Ich hebe Geld ab. You see here, ab is separated and kicked to the very end, because now we have two parts of verbs, and the second part is kicked to the end. Ich hebe ab. Ich hebe Geld ab. How would you say I can withdraw money? Ich kann Geld abheben. You see, now we're using two verbs. Ich kann, I can. And abheben is the second verb used in the infinitive and also kicked to the end, because now we have two verbs and the second verb is kicked to the end. Ich kann Geld abheben. How would you say you can withdraw money? Du kannst Geld abheben. How would you say, where can I withdraw money? Wo kann ich Geld abheben? Notice, abheben is kicked to the end. Wo kann ich Geld abheben? How would you say, you can withdraw money from the ATM? Du kannst Geld am Bankautomaten abheben. So one word we can use for ATM or cash machine is Bankautomat, der Bankautomat. In English you say from the ATM, we would say am Bankautomaten. So we would say at the bank machine, am Bankautomaten. Du kannst am Bankautomaten Geld abheben. You can at the bank machine money withdraw. How would you say I can withdraw money from the ATM? Ich kann Geld am Bankautomaten abheben. How would you say you can withdraw money in the bank? Du kannst in der Bank Geld abheben. In der Bank, in the bank. Actually, it's die Bank, the bank, feminine, but in triggers your dative because we are expressing a position where something is. You remember the question was, wo kann ich Geld abheben? Where can I withdraw money? So in triggers dative. The female dative article is der. So we say in der Bank, in the bank. Du kannst in der Bank Geld abheben. How would you say I can withdraw money in the bank? Ich kann in der Bank Geld abheben. How would you say you can withdraw money from your bank account? Du kannst Geld von deinem Bankkonto abheben. From your bank account. Von deinem Bankkonto. Das Bankkonto is the bank account. Das Bankkonto. Von is a preposition that triggers always the dative. And the neuter dative article is dem with em. So we say von deinem Bankkonto. We carry on the same ending. Von deinem with em. Von deinem Bankkonto. Du kannst Geld von deinem Bankkonto abheben. You can withdraw money from your bank account. How would you say you can withdraw money from the ATM from your bank account? Du kannst Geld am Bankautomaten von deinem Bankkonto abheben. How would you say you can withdraw money in the bank from your bank account? Du kannst Geld in der Bank von deinem Bankkonto abheben. How would you say in the past, I've withdrawn? Ich habe abgehoben. You see, since it is a separable verb, the GE for the participle slips in between. Abgehoben. And it's an irregular verb. Abgehoben. Ich habe abgehoben. How would you say I've withdrawn money? Ich habe Geld abgehoben. How would you say, have you withdrawn money? Hast du Geld abgehoben? How would you say, have you withdrawn the money? Hast du das Geld abgehoben? How would you say, have you withdrawn the money from the ATM? Hast du das Geld am Geldautomaten abgehoben? So we can also say Geldautomat or Bankautomat. Der Geldautomat is the money machine and der Bankautomat is the bank machine. So both mean the same, the ATM. Hast du das Geld am Geldautomaten abgehoben? How would you say, yes, I withdrew 50 euros. Ja, ich habe 50 Euro abgehoben. How would you say I withdrew 100 euros? Ich habe 100 Euro abgehoben. How would you say I withdrew 50 euro from my bank account? Ich habe 50 Euro von meinem Bankkonto abgehoben. Great! Next time we'll go through the verb mitnehmen, to take along. Mitnehmen, to take along. Like when you take someone along. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.